Coming with a CA and CS background, it definitely helps a lot, and me always being interested in finance, having these two financial degrees and experience helped me a lot in having a smooth journey here at K. The dream of every finance guy would be to land up at a job in IB or a PEVC, and I had the same dream, and coming here at K gave me that opportunity and that learnings which I could leverage and then be a part of this wonderful industry. The most exciting part for me is that I work for Pavestone VC, which is focused on tech investments, and this is something which comes up with new ideas every other day. So just meeting with the founders, hearing those pitches and getting to learn more about this space excites me a lot. The level of knowledge that I gained here from the professors, the quality of professors that we have, the learning resources, the library, the environment, the batchmates, everything and anything contributed me in learning more and preparing me for these roles. Have a focused goal, work towards that goal every day and night, and make sure that you reach whatever you aspire and whatever reason you came here for. It's really an amazing feeling. I never thought that I'll be back so soon, but given the opportunity that Prantika ma'am presented to me, I could not say a no, and I'm reliving the memories of 2 years I spent at K in a most beautiful way here.